If you're learning English, you need to know how to use common English expressions. Hi there, my name is Jeff, and I'm a native English speaker from the United States. And in this podcast, Essential English Expressions, I'll show you exactly how to use the most important expressions in English. In each episode, I'll tell you about one expression. I'll show you what it means and how to use it, and I'll give you plenty of examples. The best part is, I'll speak slowly, just like this, so you can understand every word. Are you ready to get started? Just do two things right now. First, hit follow or subscribe on your podcast player. We're already working on the next season of Essential English Expressions, and I don't want you to miss a single episode. The second thing to do is this. Click the link in the episode description and sign up to get our free Expressions email course. It's the perfect companion to this podcast. So that's it. Just two easy things, and you will be ready to start using these essential English expressions. Follow or subscribe to the podcast and join our email course by clicking the link in the episode description. I can't wait to teach you all about the most essential English expressions in this podcast.